So I got this barrel. It's empty. I used all the oil in it on my last oil change. In my Duramax, it started gurgling. I just about didn't get it done. I'm gonna get my plasma cutter out and I'm gonna torch this top off. Might be a good show. This barrel is still covered in oil inside, which is obviously flammable. It is not, however, flammable like, you know, gasoline or something. I suppose a smarter man than I might fill it with water, but it'll be more fun for YouTube if we don't. This is an AHP Welding Systems Alpha Cut 60. It's probably the first time I've ever read that. I saw somebody else using this, probably on YouTube. This is like a $600 plasma cutter. Let's see, I've got the power hook to that. Takes the same cord as my welder. There's the air. Put a ground on it, right over the vent hole, so if it does light on fire, be sure and wreck the ground rod. We're gonna get some safety gear on here. You like how that just showed up here? I know I said earlier, a smarter guy than I would fill this up with water, and I may wind up doing that, but the reason I'm not doing it now, despite the fire hazard, if this has motor oil in it, so it's not super flammable like gasoline. If there is a substantial amount in the bottom, I can build a fire in this and it will burn the oil off and burn whatever's in there. If I fill this thing halfway up with water, now I have a 50-50 motor oil and water mixture that is much harder to dispose of. It won't burn. You're not supposed to put it in your, you know, waste oil tank because it contaminates it. That is about as good a job as you could expect. I'm gonna cut some air holes. I think I'm gonna do 6 maybe around each of these rings, like 1-inch holes-ish, maybe 1/2 inch, just to let some air come in while it's burning. That will definitely be necessary. So I wanna trace this circle on here. I have about a 4-foot section of this pipe. This is exhaust pipe. I'm going to torch this into here so that the pipe will slide in there. In Kentucky, I have a blower that will fit in that pipe perfectly. You could also use a shop vac, tape it to the end, just put it on the end. You'll have to put it on blow. Don't leave it on suction or you'll have a melted shop vac. The idea is, especially when you're getting the fire going, that you can put the pipe in here, blow some fresh air in there. It will really turn this thing into a chimney. You know, it'll be like a big rocket stove. If any of you decide to do this at home, you cannot see that marker line with the light coming off. You guys could probably see it just fine on camera, but I can't. So we're a little big there, but honestly, that will work just fine. You know, we'll put the blower in there, tape it up, blow it in, it'll come in and out easy. So I got my shop vac hose here, which happens to be a perfect fit. Here I've got my shop vac reversed. Got her all burnt out. A little bit of residual left there, but no oil. That'll travel a lot better when we take it to Kentucky. That way, when I put it in the truck, it won't be leaking oil all over the place. Like I say, I'll find some bricks to put this on when we get there and bash a couple holes in the bottom. Let a little air in that way, but I don't know if it'll even help. I feel like the ashes will probably settle in on top of it, but maybe it'll help it drain. Maybe we got to kick it over when we're not there. We'll see. It does have this hole in the bottom there that's pretty low, so that'll probably help. That's about it for this one, guys. Just a simple little easy build, kind of a silly thing, but I had the barrel, need to use it up, and thought maybe someone could find it useful. So thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, all the things. We'll see you on the next one.